Bring it back.
Panthers, good morning and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Camilla.
And my name is Jael. It's a wild day to be a Panther.
Heritage Literacy Week is this week, and the theme is Believe in Yourself and building resiliency through reading.
This week, you can stop by the Media Center to take a selfie with your favorite book or current read. Also, in the Media Center, you can complete a sticky note book review about a book that you would recommend for others to read and why.
Today's theme is Wild about literacy, and tomorrow's theme is Wear Your Heritage Colors to show that Panthers build resiliency through reading.
In sporting news, our girl basketball team will travel to play Coco today. Junior varsity will play at 5:30 p.m. and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
In club news, BSU is continuing Penny Wars, and if you don't know what this is, it's where your penny or other amounts score points for your teacher and takes away points from other teachers. The 3 winning teachers will get a pie in the face on Thursday, February 1st.
This penny war will continue until this Friday. Tomorrow is the last day to bring your money to lunch and put it in the principal, teacher, coach's jar that you want to see get a pie in the face.
The participating teachers are Mr. Link, Coach Benson, Mr. McGee, Ms. Sharp, Coach Polmeis, Coach Kinsel, Mr. Richard, and Mrs. Van Bever.
Remember, First Priority Club will meet during all 3 lunches tomorrow in the auditorium. Everyone is welcome to attend.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!